this one. Yeah.
Oh yeah, bro.
Uh-oh. This car looks familiar. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. There's this really big car meet happening early morning, and it's supposed to be a lot of nice cars, a lot of I guess like supercars, and just overall clean builds. I've never been there before. I don't know why I haven't, but today's the day we're gonna go ahead and try it out and see what it's all about. I'm pretty excited because again, it's my first time. I've never really went to like a morning time meetup. Well, I guess I have in the past, but nothing on this particular level, so we'll see how that goes. We'll check out some nice cars. Maybe we'll catch some good runs. Let me see, can we see him? Oh, I don't think it'll let us focus. We got the Mark V Supra right there. I don't know if you can see that. Man, it would be nice if we were to run into some cars along the way, right? Just running through some random builds. We'll see, we'll see. There was some Mustangs in the back that we just passed, so maybe they're going in the same direction. Let's go ahead and get there. Bro, it's early morning. Why is there all this traffic? Just look, like it goes homeboy right there in the Supra. We got the E92 right there, and there's a Shelby up there. Let's try to catch up to that Shelby. Clean, bro. Never thought the white GTR could look so good. Dude, there's hella people here, dude. This place is pretty legit though. Like what I see so far, I don't know if we're gonna be able to find some parking. That's gonna be the challenge here today. Challenge of the day, find parking. Alright, first Cars and Coffee. Really? Yeah, I've never came out. So yeah.
And it doesn't rev?
No.
Okay, I'm not. Yeah. I have 225, but I want to go 235. So
yeah, so that'll be a nice step up then for you.
So I'm trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna line up with that Mustang.
I was trying to. The Cobra, right?
Yeah.
I was trying to, but homeboy was just like straight, like not even looking left, right, nothing. He was just like zoned in. Yeah, he was not trying to look around. But this is what I came over here for. Damn. So sick. Oh, it's a right-hand drive? That's crazy. I don't know if you can see that. That is insane. Sheesh. Okay, with the top secret. That exhaust is huge. Look, my fist can fit in there. It's definitely one of the highlights of this meetup right here. And check out that Rolls Royce. Sheesh. We got the C8 Corvette. This thing is crazy low. Crazy low. Look at that. With the Stingray logo there. Emblem. Nice. Go for boys. 6.3. Used to always think these cars are really quick. I would still love to drive one of these one day. Maybe one day the day will come. It's a pretty mint color. I mean, the sun is kind of beaming right now, but oh, what is this? Uh-oh. This car looks familiar. I think I might know who this is. Oh, so the Mark V boys.
You saw the Mustangs around the way here?
Yeah, the black ones?
Yeah, they're just cruising though.
Yeah.
Oh, look, that's the one I'm thinking about.
That thing is crazy low, bro.
Bad things can happen to you, and you don't. What happened? No, just get the fuck out of there and don't go back. Don't go back to that shit. You gotta really watch it nowadays. And now it's even, much more difficult. Yeah. That was 12 years ago. Yeah. Wow.
Crazy.
Oh, now they're cracking down.
The SVT, yeah. I've always liked the Cobras, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, the Terminator.
Maro guy.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I've always been Maro.
Look at that. V10. Just like that. Oh, then they got the Integra Classic.
These are gems. You don't even see them. You got the Honda stuff.
Which one? This one or that one?
I've always wanted to get a car where I can have one. Yeah, that color is nice. That's like green.
So clean. GTI boys. Another one. Crazy. Right next to the Mark IV Supra. Anniversary edition? What? Crazy. Oh, there's another one. I should have came up parked there.
Are you some color? No.
No, that's white. Mine is like a white silver.
Yeah, that sounds like APR.
PR is the type of tunes that they use. This one, it's crazy nice. It's polished up, everything mint. Look at those wheels. Super nice. This right here is like, you don't get any more bare bones than this. Like, if you look at the inside, look at this one. GTI boys. She got done to this one. Yeah.
Oh yeah, bro.
Oh, you recognize?
Yeah, I saw your car. I was like, oh shit. I messaged you a while ago about the clutch.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I got the same one.
Oh, nice.
It's heavy as fuck though.
Really?
Yeah,
How many
how
miles?
did you feel it?
Try it real quick.
It's got like
No, mine feels like that.
Does
Yeah.
yours like clunk when you let off? It's like when you let off?
No. Mine doesn't make a noise. But the stiffness feels like
Yeah,
mine.
okay. We got like
Mark 8 Go 4. Pretty sick. The blue stripe on the inside. I don't know. Sometimes I kind of want to try one of these, but we'll see. I do want to show you this though. It has some massive tips in the rear. Crazy. Crazy. Look at that.